Mbukeli asikwamukele ohlelweni asikhulumele Let's Talk. Igama lami ngingubongiwe uMakhumalo wakwaZwane. Mbukeli ukuthi khumbula ukuthi sisadingida inkinga ebhekene kanye nawe la ukhona. Today we're talking about the problems that seem to be plaguing the Department of Health in KwaZulu-Natal. Are things getting better? Noma are they getting worse? Mbukeli ngikhuluma from frozen posts, unemployed doctors, bad patient care, imtholampilo mbukeli ngaphephile. We've got of course ghost workers in some of these concerns, and then mbukeli investigations of misconduct. What exactly is going on with the Department of Health in the province of KwaZulu-Natal? Mbukeli, I'm going to be in conversation with some of the key stakeholders in the department. Mbukeli, I've got Dr. Nobuhle Makanya, who is with the KZN Unemployed Doctors Task Team. Umampeni Msimango, the HOD of KZN Health. Zanele Gumede, KZN Provincial Chairperson of Denosa. Ngisasilele naye Mbukeli futhi uMlungisi Ndlovu, who's with the KZN's Public Service Association. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngingene Mbukeli engxoxweni yethu nehambile zethu ngizoqala futhi with our audience members as to what exactly are they experiencing uma bevakashela mhlambe umnyango we health noma kwezemtholampilo Mbukeli, or even in their own communities. What are some of the issues they're observing as far as the Department of Health is concerned? Babthapelo, angazi noma ungasondela futhi usitshela ukuthi wena la ukhona yini into oyibona engasebenzi, particularly with the Department of Health?
For us who are poor and marginalized, who live in the shack settlements, our lives are worth nothing. The clinics are overloaded. If you go to Chatsworth right now, I mean during the week, you will see people queuing for 4 hours to get health assisted in the hospitals. So for us as black people who are still continue to be marginalized, we can die on our way to hospital. When
it comes to the issue of ambulances, ngiyazi ukuthi uthela ukhona awakwazi ukungena, kodwa is it a problem generally? Ayakwazi ukuthi afike ngesikhathi, or is it just la ukhona?
Awafika ama-ambulance. Mayifika i-ambulance mhlawumbe uyifonele kunesigameko ngo-10, izofika ngo-3 ekseni.
Thank you. HOD, ngizoqala ngawe. Right on that. What do you say to what you just heard?
Indaba yama-ambulance indaba eyinkinga. We admit ukuthi inkinga in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Kunezizathu eziningi ezibanga lokho. One, i-province yethu inkulu, and by and large i-province rural. Ngakho ke i-demand yama-ambulance inkulu ngenxa yokuba khulu kwe-province. Two, ama-ambulance travel ama-long distances. It-ambulance nje esuka eMkhanya kude ilethe ama-patient eThekwini nge-trip eyodwa nje isiuhambile 1200 kilometers. Ngaleyo ndlela abese eyasheshe eyafa, ebese kufanele ayo repair. Uma sekufanele ayo repair ama-ambulance, sinenkinga ke nenkampani esisebenza nayo eya awadwa unational indaba yokuthi isirepele ama-ambulance kunama delays. Sesisebenzile kakhulu ke nayo ke leyo kampani ukuthi ikhuphule izinga nama resources anayo ukuthi kusheshe kube ne turnaround fast ebuyayo ukuthi ama-ambulance angahlali isikhathi eside kuma repairs ukuze angazoshodisa.
Zanele, angize kuwe le ndaba yama-ambulance engiyiphetha nje, is it just the province being big, or is it imali mhlambe allocatewayo mhlambe ngadinga ukuthi ikhushulwe ukuthi the province can get more?
Ngibingelele sisibongiwe naba bonke abakhona e-studio nababukele emakhaya. Siyabonga ukuba ingxenye yale nkulumo. Indaba yama-ambulance is not only lento eshow is part of it, but enye into kuyenzeka ukuthi ambulance ikhona abasebenzi abashodayo ngenxa yalama budget cut aqhubekayo eyenza ukuthi umuntu umehamba anga-replace. As a result bashota abantu abazo drive ama-ambulance beye lapho. Enye into eyenzakayo futhi abantu bayasaba ukuya ey'ndaweni ezithile ngenxa ukuthi wona umphakathi walezo ndawo uyabahlasela futhi abantu abalethe usizo. So ziningi izinto okumele zibukwe ukuze kusolveke lento. Umphakathi ufuna ukusebenzisana ne-department nawo wonke umuntu kade kakhulu i-National Department of Health, i-National Treasury fanele befake beyeke indaba yokukhatha i-budget especially eminyangweni wezempilo ngoba iwona mnyango obonelela abantu abahluphekayo.
Okay, so mangizobuya futhi kuwema in just a moment kodwa Gatsheni kune issue la of reports that are suggesting around 2.3 billion in irregular expenditure. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi in the face of budget cuts, should we be having such?
Firstly, as PSA in the province, we are very concerned with the issues that we're encountering in the Department of Health in particular. And you might have noticed what National Treasury did in terms of cutting budget. For the past 5 years, the department have lost about 14 billion. As a result, it is very painful that you've got unemployed doctors sitting at home, hospitals who don't have enough doctors, the infrastructure is aging. That's why as PSA in the province, we believe that even on the issues of the ambulance, because if you look at the ratio, it should be 1 to 10,000, but currently you're sitting with less than 50%. So it will affect, because every district is supposed to have these ambulances. But the challenges that we have most is that our members get frustrated because the department can't fill the position. But where is the role of the provincial treasurer and the national treasurer? Because if a government department says we don't have money, what do you expect? Do you expect people to be able to die? It is for this reason as PSA, we believe that it's not only the issues of ambulance, it's everywhere. So you need to be able to respond as quickly as possible. And you have seen us in terms of raising some of these fundamental issues.
And any issue ngibonile ni raise kakhulu issue umam Gumede akhuluma ngayo, that very issue of abantu behlasela ama healthcare workers. Ngikhathaza kakhulu leyo nto ngoba who then is supposed to help you? Kodwa angize kuwena dokotela ngoba wena you are living exactly what we just heard ukuthi as much as kukhona ama budget cuts sikhuluma ngawo from afar, nikhona ningodokotela nisebenza. How has that impacted you?
Ngibonge ngethuba. It's such a big issue. The experiences by now, it's very sad ukuzwa umphakathi people having to wait long lines. There's the patient receiving that, and then on the other side there's workers who get to experience that where umuntu uhleli and we are born maybe OPD ukuthi kugcwele and you're alone, like you're the only doctor, but bakhona odokotela bahleli. So it doesn't make sense ukuthi as a country sinenkinga ezingaka ezempilo, we have so many doctors who are sitting at home who have skills, who have knowledge, kodwa futhi sikhala ngokuthi abantu bayagula bekhona abantu abangabasiza. So it's very disheartening to us, and it comes with a lot of challenges, not just the one of iziguli, but also for your doctors who are also sitting at home. It's also a challenge. Uhleli, you've learned, like we've learned sifundela ukuthi sisize umphakathi wethu, and we're seeing ukuthi asikwazi ukubasiza sihlele emakhaya. I've been lucky enough to also see the other side of working in private, where we do a lot of doctors who are unemployed currently benza into esibiza ngama locums, where basically ukubamba la ubizwa khona, and you get to see ukuthi mawuka private abantu usizo baluthola manje. Umuntu mayefuna scan ultrasound ayikusasa uzosithola namhlanje, mayidinga MRI, mayidinga CT scan uyithola manje, and then you go back home ka public, people have to wait for months. Umuntu who has cancer has to wait for months, to a point where umuntu who could have been maybe a stage 1, by the time ethola a CT scan to check that person, maybe umuntu usuka se stage 4. That impacts on people's lives. People do die because of things like that.
And ngizothanda ukuthi HOD masibuya eyitolo sikhulume about that very issue. Kodwa enye into engizothanda ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ama medical claims lawo siwabonayo kwesinye isikhathi aba inkinga ngoba, for example, if mhlawumbe umuntu ezoya esibhedlela and then ethola ukuthi mhlawumbe abe nenkinga, and then you finding yourself now having to deal with mhlawumbe asithi ubudedengu kadokotela, kodwa kwesinye isikhathi you've had fake medical legal claims that have been put in. How then do you put into place some systems that ensure ukuthi you don't fall into that again? Mbukeli siyabuya khona manje. Masibuya will also speak to some members of the audience bona abazositshela ukuthi mhlawumbe kukuphi futhi la bebona the pressures when it comes to the healthcare system in KwaZulu-Natal. Mbukeli ake siqhubeke futhi sibeke ukuthi iziphi ezinye inkinga ezibhekene nomnyango wakwa health la ku Department of Health, in fact in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Ma angize kwengokusheshsha.
okuseqinisweni okwangempela okushiwoyo ngeibhedlela kuyasihlukumeza thina esiphuwa esingenalutho esaziyo ukuthi la kufanele sisizakale khona kusesibhedlela. Okay ke ayisafika ngeambulance ngaleso sikhathi. Sengizamile imoto ngayiqasha ngahamba ngaye esibhedlela. Mangifika esibhedlela ngifike ngo8 ngizoze ngisizakale ngo4. Mangithi anginiwa ngisho iPanado ngisho lutho. Mangithi ngiyazama ngiyokhuluma nabo basho ukuthi awuguli wena njengalaba abagula kakhulu sisanake abagula kakhulu.
Okay. All right. Ngiyabonga mabhuti wami.
Ngibingele msakazi nehambeli zethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe umuntu akadlule la ngoba isikhathi sincane ukuthi ngempela isystem yaka health kade sasibiza le ukuthi is collapsing. Masithi is collapsing because siyinyonyana simele into esitshela abasebenzi. One indaba nje ukuthi staff siyashoda. I think i-department appreciate nabo lo iy'nsiza sizi noma izinto zokusebenza nazo azikho esimeni sokusebenza then ulindele uthone sabashoda abasebenza ngezinto ezingakwazi ukuthi zisebenze zisiza iguli emva kwalokho bathola ipressure kuyiguli ngala ezifuna ukusizakala ngoba phela ifike eminyangweni iswe zifuna ukusizakala ekugcina ke siphatha abakhulu ukuthi ama portfolio committee asema parliament uma efika ebhedlela awas involve thina emva kwalokho mase uba nama cover up kuma CEO uthola izinto eziyinkinga angabe ziyavela iParliament ezikwazi ukuyibona bayifihla emva kwalokho ugcine uthola ukuthi isibhedlela sa operator normal kanti akukho njalo so sayidinga nje lo transparency ukuze sikwazi usilekelelane nabo la beshoda khona sikwazi sibone ukuthi enesikhuluma kanjani nama treasurer sikwazi ubalekeleleka.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mangizoza kuwe because lento ayikhulumayo ukuthi there's an apparent collapse akusiwuye kuphela kukhona just a couple of days ago the Democratic Alliance released a statement to say that there's 2.34 billion rand in irregular expenditure, 1.7 billion rand in unpaid accruals, many of them exceeding 30-day payments. And then you've got doctors in Nkosi Albert Luthuli Central Hospital. There was an article that was there. They were speaking on condition of anonymity, saying that they're operating below 40% of surgical capacity. And they're now feeling a sense of despair and a lack of urgency from government.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uMr Ndlovu khathe ekhuluma indaba uyiqalelele lapha yamsakazi la isuka khona ukuthi the Department of Health in KZN from 2021 has lost about 14 billion ngenxa yama austerity measures. So when you continuously and perpetually ukhatha i-budget from any department, you are going to see the impact of that, or at the end, you're eventually going to see the impact of those budget cuts. Losing 14 billion over about a period of about 4 years is a huge amount. So, the Department of Health is underfunded. I think in the last 4 years, we have not been able to fill a post. Abantu bayahamba bangakwazi ukureplace. And I must say, Msakazi, it's not about doctors only. It's health professionals that we have been losing.
Uhulumeni akanilaleli yini manicela le mali noma bathini because this is having a serious impact. Uma ucabanga njengoba uyichazile indaba ama ambulance uma eyichazile bayachaza abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Is it because uhulumeni akanilaleli noma are they feeling like you don't deserve this money because mhlawumbe according to them you mismanaging it? What's the issue?
Uhulumeni ama approaches asenziwe kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi aware ukuthi recently Minister of Finance has given Department of Health an additional 20.7 billion. Kusho ukuthi lawo ma representation right up to the level of national treasury aseze ezwakala ukuthi no kudingeka additional money to actually fund Department of Health. My issues about irregular expenditure, some of them arise of kona lokho staff shortage. Kwa hulumeni kakhulukazi kwa finance and SCM sisebenza ngalento kuthiwa segregation of duties. Ukuthi umsebenzi owenziwe uzanele uyawenza nami bese ngiyaqhubeka ngenzo wami. Njengase femini ukuthi ofaka umkhono weshethi bese kuba umunye ofaka inkinobho. Now when you have staff shortage, you are not able to do that segregation of duties and lapha overlap ama functions bese ama mistake enzeka lapho
which is where the problem is. Nzanele ngize kwena ngokusheshsha ngikhathazekile kakhulu ngoba ngiyezwa abantu bekhuluma about what they are going through on a daily basis, and yet nakho siyezwa kuthiwa imali iyashota, but again irregular expenditure iyangikhathaza kakhulu.
Into ebuhlungu sisibonge ukuthi njengoba kune irregular expenditure, we would have wanted imali at some stage uthiwe imali ayikho, kodwa later usuzwa kuthiwa kulahleka imali engaka. Then leyo nto le ibhlungu ngoba sisebenza kanje, yabona lusizo olukhulunywa abantu la amanesi ke anesi abantu alithole 10 times more lolusizo, because you come emsebenzini uyimisela ukusebenza uthola ukuthi khona about 3 abangekho bagula ngoba abonesi abaningi babona ama psychologist, because mangabe sithi situation yaka health sithi is not in crisis, it's a ICU on inotropes. Ama inotropes is when you give drugs to assist the heart to pump, because the heart cannot pump on itself. That's where the department is. And amanesi iwona at the receiving end ngoba abantu mabefika esibhedlela balwa namanesi bacabanga ukuthi unesi yonke into eyinkinga bayibeka kunesi. As a result unesi akayitholi indawo isupport ngoba umqashi ufuna umsebenzi wakhe wenziwe, yet ama resources azikho izinto zokusebenza khona la kade ngekho khona ngisho izinto zokutesta ushukela. Uhlala kanjani unganayo into yokutesta ushukela? Umuntu ofikayo o-DKA odinga ukuthi ubone ushukela wakhe ukuzombele nje uzomthini, azikho izinto zokucheck umchamo, azikho i-TB treatment umuntu ozohambethela labanye abantu bengayithathile. Onesi fanele bebhekane naleyo yinto, basebenzela abantu abawu6, unesi yedwa usebenza umsebenzi wabantu abawu6 kodwa kulindeke equality of care,
and that's not sustainable. This is not sustainable.
Indeed, this is beyond the crisis, because if you look at what's happening, National Treasury has put us where we are, because we must speak the truth to the system. At this stage, the department will continue to collapse because people are not being replaced. You raise the issues even of nurses who are being attacked in township like Umlazi, Wamashu, when they travel, they are being attacked. There is a crisis, but what we need, what is the solutions? Because Department of Health does not make profit. It is the police decision. If you remember pre-1994, some of the people that can afford to pay, they were able to pay. At this stage, they cannot be able to sustain. That's why as PSC, see raise the concern yokuthi sekufuneke manje sibe ne open dialogue, sibe ne solution ngoba ngeke sibavumela abantu bakithi ukuthi bagcine sebefe ebhedlela.
Hold off just for 2 seconds. Siswam.
Kunenkinga ukuthi masile eclinic kuthiwe uma ungayanga ngedate yakho kuthiwe uzoswa kwi-counseling. Uswa kanjani kwi-counseling ube i-treatment yakho usaqhubeka unayo la, because kuyenza sometimes ifikile i-date angikho ndike ndaqwala uhambo nje lingisekhaya. So ngizocela usizo ukuthi siyacela ukuthi sinakekele ukuthi ungathi umuntu uma eqiwe yiloyo date kuthiwe kumele asiwe kwi-counseling abamaphilisi usaqhubeka nawo uwadla. So siyacela usizo lapho. Ngiyabona.
Mbukeli siyabuya khona manje sokuphathela impendulo zale nkinga esikhulumayo, ngibuyele futhi nakudadewethu ngizwe ukuthi yena just as we look at this, what then becomes the impact of it, because mbukeli asikwazi ukuthi sibalekele indaba ye-austerity ngoba yiyona esizwayo khona manje ukuthi it also becomes a huge problem. Unganyakaza. Mbukeli sesiphetha nje ake sisheshe sibheke ezinye izisombululo zalenkinga. Siswam angiqale ngawe nje about 30 seconds. Yini into oyibonayo ukuthi kumele iqale nje yenziwe njengamanje?
Like I said, sinabantu abaningi abagulayo and we have a lot of doctors abahlele ekhaya abafundile who've been trained for 9 years. I think those doctors have to be employed, and as HOD had said, it's not just doctors. Bakhona abantu bafundile but bahlele emakhaya. Those people need to be employed. Budget needs to be directed for those people to be employed. Basizakala abantu abagulayo.
Katsheni kafishane nje wena ubona ukuthi kumele kwenziwe njani, particularly when it comes to the issue of misusing imali kwesinye isikhathi? Yini into engaba yisombululo lapho?
Thina su-PSA umbono wethu ukuthi kufanele kuba khona ama-consequence management kodwa futhi kubalulekile ne-department ibheke nalento ye-mental health care because abantu abaningi ngokuthi basebenza under ingcindezi kuba nzima kakhulu kodwa futhi umongameli ufuna akwazi ukuthi angenelele ngoba asiqondi ukuthi isixazululo sizoqhamukaphi if iminyango ithi ayinayo imali kuqhubeke kube ney'nkinga ngoba abantu baya-resign abantu bayashona kuba ney'nkinga abantu babanjwe inkunzi kuyagqekezwa kuney'nkinga ezahlukahlukene kufuneke sithathe lento njengesibe ne-responsibility nemphakathi futhi ibe involve kuma-hospital board okwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi abaqashwa odokotela ibe khona imali amanesi ne-support staff-ke nje msakazi ngoba isibhedlela asikwazi ukuthi sisebenze ngecategory eyodwa.
Sizanele angize kuwe ngikhathazeke kakhulu ngalento ye-mental health yonesi kakhulu yini enye obona ukuthi kumele iqale ilungiswe manje?
Into eyoqala nje uma ukhuluma ngendaba ye-mental health akunyuswe budget. Do you know ukuthi it's only 5% of the budget that is spent on mental health? No wonder everybody's crazy under this situation. So I news into ebalulekile exempt the Department of Health from austerity measures, from budget cuts, because that is a critical department providing services to the poor people. Abangenayo any option, so it must be exempted from those things.
Ma, for you as a final one, ama cases e misconduct lawa ngathi awu-84 nikuphi nawo 2 yini enye into oyibonayo ukuthi kufanele yenziwe ibanjwe as a department in order to deal with this issue of austerity but also this issue of mismanagement yemali kwesinye isikhathi?
Msakazi ama cases lawa awu-84 khulunywa ngawo ngicabanga ukuthi nje amanye ama cases akhona department angeke ngikwazi ukwabalula ukuthi le mhlambe isa investigator le isiphambi ka presiding officer le isiku noma lo usecharge kodwa amaningi nje alapha it's either isekuphambi ka presiding officer noma abantu sebenikeziwe ama sanctions ngoba omunye umsebenzi la wethu lowo wokuthi sikwazi ukuthi abantu bangabe bengayiphathi kahle emsebenzini sifaka uqondisa kodwa ukuqondisa igwegwa kona wona kakhulu okubalekile ukuthi sithi build ethics emsebenzini nemoral nama-morals emsebenzini ukuthi abantu bayiphathe ngendlela basebenze ngendlela bathembeke emsebenzini bahloniphe umphakathi ikona kona lokho okukhulu esikusebenzayo kune-program likahulumeni ekuthiwa i-professionalization of the public service ngoba uthola ukuthi ezinye iy'nkinga even iy'nkinga ey'bikwa umphakathi ngokuthi uficene eclinic mhlambe nje attitude yomuntu othizeni nalo obengalitholanga iphilisi likhona iphilisi eliyi-alternative angabumnikeze lona kodwa wakhetha ukuthi angamnikezi kanye ke nako ukuthi sesiqashile sibhizi uhulumeni wakithi KwaZulu-Natal ukwazile ukuthi asitholele imali ethile yokuthi siqashe odokotela onesi nawo amanye ama professionals.
Anginibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi senu. We were able to get through some of the most important issues Mbogeli. Hopefully nawe la ukhona ukwazela ukuthi yakho inkinga ithinteke. Udokotela uNobuhle Makhanya, KZN Unemployed Doctors Task Team, Penny Msimango HOD KZN Health, Zanele Gumede KZN Provincial Chairperson of DINOSA, as well as Umlungisi, who is with the Public Service Association. Mbogeli, axabene asihlangana ngeviki elizayo.